Hi friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this Paneer Methi Matar Malai recipe. I've already shown you how I prepare this Methi Matar Malai recipe in my previous videos. Now let's get started. Here for the gravy I reserved some cashew nuts, almonds and onion. For the gravy base we need finely chopped onions, green chilies, garam masala, paneer which is cubed, cumin seeds, methi leaves, that is fenugreek leaves, that is sorted, washed thoroughly and reserved, milk, ginger garlic paste, green peas I've cooked and reserved, and fresh cream. Now let's get started with the recipe. Badam I've already soaked, and that is almonds I've soaked in hot water, removed the skin, then added it to the onions along with the cashews and one green chili. With quarter cup of water I'm going to boil it down till it's cooked well. Meanwhile, for the gravy base, I've heated a wok with 2 tablespoons of oil. I've allowed the cumin seeds to splutter. Then I've added the onion. I've fried the onion till it's transparent. Then I've slit one green chili and added the green chili. Next, I've added the fenugreek leaves. That is 2 cups of fenugreek leaves. I fried it down till it's wilted down. Then I've added quarter cup of water, stirred the fenugreek leaves, covered it and allowed it to cook. Meanwhile, my onion gravy base is cooked well. I removed it from the flame, added it to the mixer jar along with the fresh cream, and I ground it into a smooth paste. Here you can see the fenugreek leaves have cooked very well. At this point, I'm going to be adding ginger garlic paste and a cup of milk. Now, if we cook the ginger garlic paste in the milk, it gives that restaurant style flavor. Don't fry the ginger garlic paste. Do it this way. Now, once the raw flavor from the ginger garlic paste has reduced, that is when I'll stir it once more, and then I'll add the cooked green peas. I'll add garam masala. I'll also add the gravy base and I'll stir it well and cook the green peas. Now, once the green peas have cooked down slightly in this masala, I'll be adding salt as per taste. I'll stir it once and cook the gravy for another few minutes. Then I'll add the paneer. Normally I used to fry the paneer in ghee and all of that, and I used to prepare the gravy. But then the paneer tends to become rough and it is very hard. So I use paneer fresh, just like that. I chop the paneer and add it. It's nice and soft and creamy. Now you can see once the gravy has started to boil, I've added the paneer, just stirred it. I'm going to allow this to boil for just a few seconds. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the rotis. I prepared this gravy for dinner that day. Now once my rotis have fried well, I'm going to serve this paneer methi matar malai hot. It was very nice and tasty. Do try this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you soon in the next recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.